Before running Python, we should install Python software, right? Then how to install? Yes, that we install together. Just go to Chrome or any other browsers. Just type Python. Now select this link. Now go to Downloads. The Python software we can run in Windows, Mac or any other platforms. Now I am installing for Windows. You just click here. The downloading starts automatically. After downloading you just go to the folder. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. And just click Install. Just wait for the process. After completion you just go to search, type Python. If the file indicating the software installed correctly. In the next video let we learn how write the Python code and how to run.